失恋.
You pronounce perfectly well on this.
And you have a perfectly Italian hand gesture as well.
Hello, 大家好，我是 Joanna. I'm a Chinese teacher, and I just got out of lockdown. Yeah.
我叫 Francesco. I'm from Italy. 我是意大利人.
Hi everyone, I'm Joe. I'm the teacher of Silk Mandarin, and also I own a baking studio.
你好，我叫 Kristen. 我是美国人. I am a school counselor here in Shanghai, China.
So today our topic is about love confessions. 好, so the first one, can you try to pronounce it?
表白
Again?
表白
Yep, 表白.
So 表 here means to express something, express your
Alright,
feelings. So 白, this character actually by itself, it can means the color, white.
Oh, right.
So and here 白 also can means to be clear, to be straightforward, because you know the color white is very
To be
clear.
direct.
Yes. So 表白 is basically mean to express your feelings straightforward. And nowadays 表白 means to do love confession, you know, to confess your love.
Alright.
So have you been 表白 lately?
No, not recently. Not for a while.
We haven't caught up for a while.
How about you?
Way to avoid the question.
Yeah.
No, I haven't been.
Have you ever tried to 表白 before?
Actually, yeah. If you want to build something serious with someone, I think you should be straightforward with them.
So, you know, the Chinese girls, they don't normally do confession. They expect the boy to do it.
Do you feel comfortable doing that? 表白?
Yeah, because I'm good at it.
Oh. You don't do it often, but when you do, you're good at it.
There are several times.
You know, in real life, I think many people copy what they see, like on TV
Yeah.
or on dramas,
I see what you
and
mean.
and they try to like confess their love.
Okay, I'm not sure if that works though.
Oh well, I actually read this news was saying that this guy he prepared 999 condoms. You know, instead of 999 roses to express his love to the girl.
And he gave them to the girl.
Yeah, and the girl said yes. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, she accepted, and the guy later gave all the condoms to everyone that was
Alright.
like free condoms for everyone.
Okay. I hope he kept at least one for himself.
Yeah.
So to make a proper confession, we're gonna use these words, okay? So one of them is 喜欢,
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 and I.
爱.
I think you know what does 喜欢 mean, right?
To like to
Yes,
like something,
yes,
yeah?
yes. What about I? Really?
No, wait. I haven't been reviewing Chinese. So, like a need? Or-
No. I means to
No.
love.
Yeah, to
yes,
love. Yeah,
okay,
so
you know
okay.
that.
A common sentence would be 我喜欢你.
我喜欢你.
Yeah.
So I really like you.
Oh yeah, yeah. Or 我爱你.
我爱你.
我爱你. I love you. Yeah.
你爱我.
Yeah, 你爱我. 我爱你. 你是冰城甜蜜蜜.
Love is just on a total different level. You can like something, be okay with it, but if you like something, it's because you are really into it and you're passionate about it.
And you wanted to make commitment.
It's a stronger feeling.
It was a younger Chinese guy, and we went out a couple times, but it really surprised me. He said, I love you, like really quick.
Okay.
And we wouldn't say that in the US, but it happened really quick. And
Yeah, maybe he loves you.
do you think that's possible?
Yeah, I mean, I'm talking about the 一见钟情. So in Shanghai, I think it's getting harder to, get into like a serious relationship. The rhythm is so quick. You know, people come and people go, right? You met a lot of people every day. You meet the new guys every weekend. Not enough time to let you to really get into someone, to know him, right? Most cases, maybe it's just 喜欢, not I.
I saw this picture was trying to describe the differences between 喜欢 and 爱. You know, if you see a very beautiful flower, and some people may want to take it, like just take it back home. But if you really love it, you wanted to help her like grow, right? You want to water it, protect it, and just let her glow. For me, I think the differences between 喜欢 and 爱. 喜欢 is to just take it, like, you know, you wanted to own it. But 爱 is to protect, to cherish, to make compromise. Okay, next one. Actually, my favorite word today.
暧昧
I may.
I may.
Ooh, nice one.
This
暧
one,
昧.
this one is easy. I may.
Oh yeah, this one's easy. Do you know what does it mean?
So we said it's something about love. May, maybe something about sister.
No, that's not what I mean. So it's same pronunciation with May, but it's different like characters.
Okay, yeah.
So May here, do you see you can see there's a particle of sun, 日 here, 日 here. So it has something to do with the light.
The right part is 未, it means not yet. Put them together, the character, it means less of sunlight, it's not so clear, and you don't know yet.
So for example, two of them are seeing each other, right? But they haven't getting exclusive. They're not in a relationship. And then we will say, oh, their relationship is a bit 暧昧. Because here we use as an adjective.
Okay.
Be like, oh, 他们的关系很暧昧.
We'll call that a situationship, where
Situationship.
yeah, like it's not defined, but there's something going on. You've been hanging out, you've met up a few times, you like each other. Usually it gets to a point where someone maybe wants something else, the other person doesn't, but the situation works for one because they don't have to put a label on it.
Okay.
So just to give an example, if I meet a Chinese girl, I start hanging out with her, asking her out. Maybe I tell her that I like her, etc. But you know, we go to dinner together. I give her maybe small gifts and so on. But she didn't confesses me back, and she keeps going out with me and so on. Doesn't mean that we are in the middle of a 暧昧 or.
Yeah, maybe. But you know, people are complicated. Maybe she's exploring, or maybe she really doesn't know what she wants. You know, right? Because maybe she's like, oh, I actually am not sure what I want, but I'm trying to get to know more of you. I think you're nice, but I'm still not sure what I want. You know,
Okay, then,
right? It can be the case.
It can be, but that's.
Yeah. Well, if it's me, I won't do
risky-
that. I won't do that. If it's
risky.
me, no, probably not. Probably not.
Today, more and more young Chinese guys, they tend to be more 暧昧. I don't like either.
You don't like it either?
Yeah, I'm the victim of 暧昧.
Oh.
The last one.
失恋
失恋.
You pronounce perfectly well on this.
And you have a perfect Italian hand gesture as well.
So 失 it means lost or lose.
是.
失 you lost something. Or 恋 it means love or to love.
失恋.
失恋 it means lost your love.
Oh, lost your love.
对 you lost your love, so 你失恋了.
It's there, then it's gone.
对
So what would you do if you 失恋了?
I guess that's the time of the year when you start running a lot and going to the gym afterwards.
Oh, really?
I usually call a friend, or I just get back out there and find other people that are more interesting or could be just as interesting as that
Okay.
person and a better fit.
Okay. I'm gonna call my friends like 兄弟 brothers, like bros, or we're gonna take a barbecue. I'm gonna drink a tons of beer,
Oh, wow,
and maybe cry, shit out myself.
that's really intense, Julian. I mean,
Yeah. I think Joanna gonna go to karaoke. Okay, let's review the words we talked about today.
let's do it.
The first one is 表白.
表白.
The example can be 明天我要向他表白.
Second one, 喜欢爱我喜欢你但还不爱你
Next is 暧昧.
暧昧.
不要和我暧昧. The last word can be 失恋.
失恋.
我失恋了.
我失恋了.
我想吃甜的.
我想吃甜的.
对.
Oh, yes. There's a new bakery studio, and that is where I'm gonna get all my Xinlian treats.
Yeah.